Your home page and your startup page are not the same setting in Chrome. Mixing them up is why half the fixes people try online do nothing. I have covered Chrome since 2009, and this mix-up is one of the most common questions I get. Here is the real difference and exactly where each one lives. Startup pages control what opens the moment you launch Chrome. Go to Settings, then on Startup, you get 3 choices. Open the new tab page starts fresh every time. Continue where you left off reopens your last session's tabs, that is Chrome's default. Or pick Open a specific page or set of pages. Click Add a new page and type in any site you want, that is the one you want. If you always start your day on the same page like your email or your news feed. The Home button is a different thing entirely. It is not about what opens Chrome. It is a shortcut icon in your toolbar. Click it and it jumps you to one page, no matter how many tabs you already have open. By default, Chrome hides this button. To turn it on, go to Settings, then Appearance, and flip Show Home button. Once it is on, choose whether it goes to your new tab page or a custom web address you type in yourself. So think of it this way. Startup pages are about the moment Chrome opens. The Home button is a button you click anytime, on demand. They can point to completely different pages or the same one. That part is entirely up to you. Here is the one thing that trips people up on startup. Only fires when Chrome has 0 windows open and you launch it fresh. Opening a new window on top of Chrome that is already running with Ctrl-N does not trigger it. That new window just opens the new tab page. If your startup page never seems to show up, check whether Chrome was actually closed first. If you want one page to greet you every time you open Chrome and one click to jump back to it later, set both Add that page under On Startup. Then set the same address as your Home button. Now Chrome opens there, and you can always get back to it in one click, even after you have wandered off to 20 other tabs. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.